All right, guys, so I'm going to give you guys my strategy moving forward within this video, kind of what I'm thinking when it comes to investing into the cryptocurrency market. Obviously, the narrative right now is trading bots. There's a lot of companies coming out that are, basically saying that they have a trading bot, or they have numerous trading bots that do trades on their behalf, and they're making money anywhere between 1% to 2%, even higher. Some are saying they're producing 10% plus per day and then passing part of that percentage back down to their investors. So here's my game plan. There's a lot of different things coming out. I'm going to get into numerous projects at a very low price point. We're talking about like 100 to 200 bucks. And then we're going to find the projects that gain the most momentum, they're the most proven over time, and we're going to start depositing heavier amounts into those projects. I mean, there's been one in particular where I put in a very, very large deposit because I talked to the developer. I saw the actual trades. They do have a real trading bot. And so it's just something that I've built trust within. Now, since there's so many different, trading bots out there, different companies out there, we need to be vigilant. We need to make sure that obviously there is proper KYC, that there is proper doxing, but we need to realize also that that's not always going to happen. So we can either just sit there and we can wait until it does, and if it does, and sit on our hands and avoid opportunity, or we can jump in head first, we can diversify and then scale up on the things that are working. Now, this is not in any way financial advice whatsoever. Just a guy on YouTube sharing with you guys my insights on what I've been thinking, what I'm going to be doing moving forward when it comes to investing into the cryptocurrency market. What you decide to do is completely 100% up to you. So today, been doing some research on this new project known as COINMARKETbull. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over the actual notes that I've taken right here, and then I'm going to make a live deposit over here. Again, it's going to be a super small deposit. You need to make sure that you are sending from, you can send from MetaMask, but it's on the ERC20 network. You can send from a ledger, et cetera, et cetera. We'll walk you guys through exactly how to do that. They did have a recent call as well with a lot of people on it. They've got tens of thousands of investors up to this point within the project. This project is based out of Hungary, but we're going to go through that right now in great detail. So you earn approximately between 1.2% to 1.8% per day, and this runs 7 days per week. Okay, 100% of your capital is returned at the end of the 8 months, and you can go ahead and you can withdraw profit anytime. Now, there is a 5% fee to withdraw. Okay, every time you choose to withdraw, there's going to be a 5% fee to go ahead and do that. Now, it is a European company based out of Hungary. The AI tech Binance bots are based out of Hungary, and CMB is partnered and licensed out of Hungary as well. One of the unique things about this bot versus other bots out there is it can actually short sell, where most can only long sell in a bull market, but it becomes very difficult to short sell in a bear market and make gains. Now, this specific bot has that capability to long or to short. Now, there's a minimum trading deposit of 50 bucks. There is a fee for bot activation. So an example here, you'd pay $50 for the activation, $100 to deposit, and then that would be equivalent to 150 bucks. Now, here's a unique tip to ensure that your transaction goes through. They say to add an extra $5 just to be safe, which is $155, which is exactly what we're going to do today. Like many other trading bots out there, opportunities out there, crypto opportunities, there is an affiliate compensation plan that is 100% optional. And I will list the handout, all the details below for the compensation plan. for CMB. So what we're going to do right now is let's go ahead and let's go over to the back office. And in the future, I'll create more detailed videos on the insights, the knowledge that I'm gaining from this specific opportunity here. But what we want to do is we want to go to deposit, click on new deposit, and we're going to do exactly 155. Again, we're going to start with a small amount, and our payment is going to be in crypto. Again, the annual bot fee is 50 bucks. My account is going to be credited with $105. We're just going to go ahead and click on deposit. And it's going to take us to commerce.coinbase. And you can either pay with Coinbase if you got a Coinbase account, or you can pay with another wallet. We're going to go ahead and pay with Tether. And we're going to go ahead and cancel the MetaMask here. We don't need that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy this. And I've got some funds on my ledger that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send over to this specific address here. Again, need to make sure that it is in fact on the Ethereum network. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause this video. It does give you also an hour to go ahead and send that approximated amount to that address. So let's go ahead, let's pause this video, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my ledger and send the funds over right now. All right, so I went ahead and I sent that amount. It might just take a couple minutes for the screen to refresh, and look, check it out. So thank you. You can navigate away from this page and check back later for final confirmation. So we should be able to go back to our back office. Let's just go ahead and click on continue here. And you can see that it took us back here. And it says your deposit will complete soon. After transaction is confirmed, please wait. So let's go back to account or even the dashboard here. And we're going to go ahead and click back over to deposit list. And we can see that there's no deposit here quite yet. Again, this does take some time. So we'll go ahead and give this a few minutes. All right, so it looks like this took approximately 2 minutes, but you can see my deposit amount right here. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out CMB, there will be a link below in the description, and I will continue to update you guys on what's going on with this project. So you guys kind of understand my strategy. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to follow my progress with all these different projects, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. We'll see you guys in the next one.